And basically, here you have in Spanish and here you have in English. So if you want to say I have, you are going to say in Spanish, yo tengo. If you want to say you have, but informal, tú tienes. He has, él tiene. She has, ella tiene. You have, but formal. For example, if you talk to the principal, to the governor, to the mayor, and to the teachers, it's going to be usted tiene. If we are talking about we are, even if it is masculine or feminine, it's going to be nosotros, nosotras tenemos. You all have, but just in Spain, okay? Vosotros, vosotras tenéis. In Latinoamerica, we don't use this a lot. So we are not going to use this as much in the class, but sometimes you will see it in some exercises. And if you want to say you all have, you are going to say ustedes tienen. They have, ellos tienen. So in some situations, you are going to have these subjects, which is going to be super easy because I know that you are going to learn this. But in some situations, instead of this, you are going to have name of people. For example, you are going to find the name of Anna. What I want is that if you see the name of a person, you think, what subject is that replacing? If you say, for example, Ana, immediately you need to know that it's Ana, is ella, which means that you need to use this verb. If we talk, for example, Ana y yo, which means Ana and I. So it's going to be this conjugation because it's replacing basically nosotros. If you say Ana y Jose, it means they, ellos, so use this one. And what about, for example, if instead of name, we have name of animals or objects in plural? Anything that is plural is going to have this in relation to objects, animal, places. Remember, it's going to have these. And let's see if you have the name or an animal, an object, a place, singular is going to have these. For example, if I want to say the dog has, I'm going to say el perro tiene. If I want to say the dogs, plural, los perros tienen, okay? So here we have the vocabulary. So you wrote these sentences because we are going to describe physical appearance a lot. We are going to use this and we are going to create more sentences, okay? Rizado means curly. So this is for the hair. The structure is going to be the following. First, the subject, yo, tú, ella. Then the verb, but you need to conjugate it. Here, it doesn't have a conjugation. Conjugated means that you need to write it in one of these ways. Okay? And then you write these words and then these words. So, tiene el pelo rizado, curly. Ondulado, wavy hair. Liso, straight hair. Recogido, tied hair. Suelto, loose hair. Corto, short hair. Largo, long hair. This is for the hair. Now, these are the colors of the hair. Moreno is when you have dark brown hair. Castaño is light brown hair. Rubio, you are blonde, you have blonde hair. Pelirrojo, you have red hair. Canoso is white hair when you get older, that your hair starts changing color. So it's going to be canoso. 10 years dyed when you change the color of your hair intentionally. Here we have the eyes. Pay attention to the pronunciation. Los ojos. And then you say the colors. It's plural. Every time these are going to be plural because ojos is plural. So, yo tengo los ojos negros, marrones, verdes, azules. Here, the nose, la nariz. Grande. Yo tengo la nariz grande. It means I have a big nose. Yo tengo la nariz pequeña. I have a small nose. Here we have the lips. It means I have lipsticks. Yo tengo los labios pintados. Freckles. Yo tengo pecas. Lunar, a mole. Yo tengo un lunar. Here, glasses, gafas. Yo tengo gafas. Beard, barba. Mustache, bigote. Okay, we are not going to use this one. Muy bien, so let's write some sentences. For example, if I want to say, she has blonde hair. So, you are going to say, ella tiene el pelo rubio. I know that we are talking about ella, that is feminine, but we are describing the hair, which means that it's going to be masculine because it's the hair. What else, for example, you want to say, he has short hair. So we are going to say, él tiene el pelo corto. So please never say, él tiene corto pelo. No, first is pelo and then the description. What about, for example, you want to say, we have blue eyes. Nosotros tenemos los ojos azules. Again, first is the part of the body that you are describing and then the characteristic. They have glasses. Ellos tienen gafas. Maria, let's use the name of a person. Maria has a small nose. So Maria is she, basically, ella. So María tiene una nariz pequeña. What about, for example, you want to say you all. So you all have a mole. Ustedes tienen un lunar. Okay, so pay attention to the conjugation, to the subject, and the vocabulary. So, but this is a verb that we are learning today, but remember also that we know this verb, ser. Yo soy, I am, tú eres. You are informal, ella es, she is, él es, he is, nosotros somos. We are, they are, ellos son. Muy bien. So let's see, for example, if I want to say, yo soy alta, I am tall. Tú eres bajo. You are short. Ella es guapa. She's pretty. Él es calvo. He's bald. Nosotros somos rubios. We are blonde. They are morenos. Ellos son morenos. They are dark skinned. So please remember that ser is going to be used with this vocabulary and tener is going to mean to have. So I don't want that you say ella es pelo rojo. No, remember that this verb needs to be with these conjugations, with these expressions. Muy bien, chicos. Adiós, adiós. After this explanation, you are going to work in an in-class assignment.